Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Validating XML against a document type definition, DTD, file in Python can be done using various libraries, but one of the most popular and widely used libraries for XML processing is lxml. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of validating XML against a DTD file using the lxml library, and provide you with a code example. Before you begin, ensure that you have Python installed on your system. You will also need to install the lxml library, which can be done using pip. First, create an XML file that you want to validate against a DTD. For this tutorial, let's create a simple XML file called example.xml. Next, create a DTD file that defines the structure and rules for your XML file. Save this as library.dtd. This DTD specifies that the library element must contain one or more book elements, and each book element must contain a title, author, and price element with text content. Now, let's write Python code to validate the XML file against the DTD using the lxml library. In this code, if the XML is valid according to the DTD, it will print XML is valid against the DTD. Otherwise, it will print XML is not valid against the DTD and provide error information. You've learned how to validate XML against a DTD file in Python using the lxml library. This process ensures that your XML data adheres to the specified structure and rules defined in the DTD, helping maintain data integrity and consistency in your applications. ChatGPT.